Imagine this. You're trying to do the right thing, save money, go green, and make your home more energy efficient. So, you decide to install a heat pump, but instead of saving thousands, you end up wasting £10,000 on a system that doesn't work. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, for thousands of UK homeowners, this isn't a dream. It's reality. The UK's heat pump industry is booming, but it's also riddled with scams, misleading claims, and outright fraud. By the end of this video, you'll discover the 5 biggest heat pump scams and how to avoid them. Stick around because this could save you £10,000 or more. Scam 1. Overpriced installations. Let's start with the most common scam. Overpriced installations. Some companies charge upwards of $10,000 for a heat pump system, claiming it's premium or top of the line. But here's the truth. A standard heat pump should cost between £6,000 and £8,000, including installation. So, how do you avoid this scam? Always get at least 3 quotes from different providers, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, you're the customer. You have the power. But if you think overpricing is bad, wait until you hear about the next scam. Scam 2. Misleading efficiency claims. Next up, misleading efficiency claims. Some companies promise that heat pumps will cut your energy bills by 50% or more. Sounds amazing, right? Well, here's the catch. Those numbers are often based on ideal conditions, like a perfectly insulated home or mild weather. In reality, heat pumps work best in well-insulated homes. If your home isn't energy efficient, you might not see those savings. So before you install a heat pump, invest in insulation and double-glazed windows. But wait, there's more. If you're not careful, the next scam could leave you with a system that doesn't even work. Scam 3. Poor installation practices. Here's something that might shock you. Poor installation is one of the biggest reasons heat pumps fail. Some companies cut corners by using unqualified installers or skipping essential steps like proper sizing and testing. The result? A system that's noisy, inefficient, or downright broken. To avoid this, always check the credentials of your installer. Look for certifications like MCS, Microgeneration Certification Scheme, in the UK. But if you think poor installation is bad, the next scam is even worse. Scam 4. Hidden costs and fees. Ever signed a contract only to be hit with unexpected costs? That's the next scam. Hidden fees. Some companies lure you in with a low upfront price, only to charge extra for things like electrical upgrades, maintenance, or even removal of your old system. Here's how to protect yourself. Read the fine print. Ask for a detailed breakdown of all costs before you sign anything. And if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. But if you're thinking, how do I even find a trustworthy company? Don't worry, the final scam is all about spotting red flags. Scam 5. Fake reviews and testimonials. Here's the sneakiest scam of all. Fake reviews. Some companies pay for 5-star reviews or create fake testimonials to trick you into thinking they're trustworthy. So, how do you spot the fakes? Look for detailed reviews with photos or videos. Check independent review sites like Trustpilot or Google Reviews. And don't be afraid to ask for references from past customers. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about how you can protect yourself from these scams. Look, I know navigating the heat pump industry can feel overwhelming, but here's the truth. With the right knowledge, you can avoid these scams and make a smart investment. Start by getting multiple quotes, checking credentials, and reading the fine print. And if you're ready to take your financial game to the next level, I've got something for you. Check out my video, How to Get Free Money in the USA and UK GovET Grants Tax Refunds, where I break down easy ways to boost your income. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch it now. Remember, the road to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take action today and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.